Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a ladder in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. The best way to craft a ladder is, first of all, you're going to have to create and collect some logs. You can collect some logs by cutting down some trees. Of course, make sure that you are in survival mode. And so once you collect some logs from trees, all you have to do then is from here you're going to open your inventory. And from here, you're going to create a workbench. And a workbench is going to need 4 different logs and 3 types of any stone. And then you're just going to place it anywhere you would like. And then from here, you're going to click on it, interact with it. And it will send you to the workbench for the crafting section. And now from here, you will need to build a builder workbench. And so a builder workbench will need 6 log trees and 3 stones. So once you make sure that you have those, click on craft and you will make it. Once you have it right now, just make sure that you have enough space in your inventory. And then from here, you're going to just place it anywhere you would like, such as right here. And then from there, you're going to click on it again. Make sure that you have enough wood. So I collected some extra wood logs. Click on it in the input. And as you can see, it will provide many options, including one simple wooden ladder, which you're going to click on it. Then you can select for how many watts you would like. So you can collect on 3 and then press on craft, and there you go. Now you have 3 pieces of ladder which you can place anywhere you would like in the map. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.